Today, we're going to unbox and set up the amazing Lankeleisi X3000 Plus electric folding mountain bike. Once you open the box, you'll see the bike itself and a box full of accessories. Inside, you'll find a lock, a convenient air pump, a 15mm wrench, a battery charger, a quick-release skewer, a cute little bell, a cable adapter, and of course, the user manual. Remove the bike from the box and start by removing the cable ties. After that, remove the front wheel from the bike frame and set it away for now. First, loosen the screws on the stem and then twist the stem until it faces forward. Next, remove the 4 screws to detach the front attachment. Handle the handlebar with care, ensuring that you don't twist the cables. Secure the handlebar by inserting the 4 screws back in place diagonally. Remember to keep the handlebar and the front wheel aligned. Firmly tighten the central screw and then tighten the screws on the top and sides of the stem. Adjust the display position to your desired comfort and secure it using the 3mm screw. Use the 15mm wrench to remove the temporary axle from the fork. Take out the plastic protection from the brake caliper. With the 5mm hex key, remove the headlight and position it facing upward. Once that's done, tighten the screw back in place to secure the headlight. Place the wheel into the fork's dropouts, ensuring that the rotor lines up with the brake caliper. Slide the skewer through the wheel's hollow axle, making sure it goes through the center of the dropouts. On the other side, screw the nut onto the skewer. Then, close the quick-release lever to secure the skewer in place. Fully extend the lever of the quick-release clamp and insert the saddle tube into position. Ensure that it is securely tightened to eliminate any wobbling or movement. The pedals are already set up. All we need to do is unfold them. Lastly, inflate the tires to a pressure of 1.4 bars. Next, proceed to install the front fender by removing the headlight and positioning it above the front wheel. Ensure that it aligns properly with the front wheel and securely tighten the 5mm bolt. Congratulations! The Lankeleisi X3000 Plus is now ready to go. Turn on the bike and have a safe and enjoyable ride.